4 quick ways to find the EMEI number on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So the first method is to use the phone app. So on the home screen, open up the phone app, and then you want to key in asterisk, the pound key 06, and then the pound key, and from here you'll be able to find the physical EMEI number for the physical SIM card and the embedded SIM card. So we've got EMEI 1 and EMEI 2. So that is the first method. The second method is to swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on About Phone. In here, scroll down and you'll be able to find the EMEI number for the first physical SIM as well as the embedded SIM. So that is EMEI 1 and 2. So that is the second method. The third method is if you turn your phone to the back, just below the Samsung logo, there is an EMEI number right here. So it is in a very, very small writing, but you can see it if you have a zoom glass, or you can use your camera to zoom in on the EMEI number down here. You can find it here. And the last method is to check your packaging box, and on the packaging box normally it will show the EMEI number in here. And that's it. So those are the 4 different ways how you can quickly find the EMEI number on your Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or the Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.